अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे सैस, बूलियंस एंड बूलियन ऑपरेटर्स। सैस supports boolean values true and false. It is used in conditional compilation where the expression evaluates to either of these values. Assign a boolean value to the variable true or variable false. Usage in conditional compilation. We can use boolean values in conditional compilation. See the example below. We have passed a true value in the mixin so that the if block will be compiled. SAS file mixin button format, variable round button, variable size. Color white put किया गया, background color blue with size variable size put किया गया. If variable round button, height variable size, border radius variable size over 2, my button include button format true 100 pixel. Compiled CSS file, color white, background color blue with 100 pixel, height 100 pixel, border radius 50 pixel. Boolean operators. SAS has 3 Boolean operators, 2 are binary and 1 are unary. Binary operators and syntax. Expression 1 and expression 2, the final Boolean value will be true only if both the expressions evaluate true, otherwise it will be false. Or syntax, expressions or expression 2, 1 and 2, the final Boolean value will be true only if any of the expressions evaluates to true, otherwise it will be false. Unary operators, not syntax, not expression, the final Boolean value will be the opposite of the expression value. See the example below. Variable 1 true and true, variable 2 true and false, variable 3 true or false, variable 4 false and false, variable 5 not true. Debug will print the values of the variable at the compilation time in the terminal. Values, debug value variable 1 true, variable 2 false, variable 3 true, and debug variable 4 false and debug variable 5 false. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz everyone.